Hey, Liam, what do you think about this mug for Sarah? Her birthday is next week.
It's nice, but isn't her favorite color blue? This one is green.
Oh, you're absolutely right. Good point. I completely forgot.
Maybe we should look for something else. How about a scented candle? Everyone loves those.
That's a really good idea. She's been quite stressed lately, so something relaxing would be perfect.
I remember seeing some lovely lavender ones on that shelf over there.
Oh, yes, she loves lavender, and it's within our budget, too.
Great, let's go grab that one then.
Hold on, what about this small book? It's about gardening, and she just started her garden.
That's also a great idea, Maria. But we agreed on the candle, remember? And it's a bit cheaper.
You're right, consistency is key. Let's stick to the candle.
So, a lavender candle it is for Sarah's birthday?
Yes, I think that's perfect. Thanks for helping me decide, Liam.
Anytime. Glad we found something she'll genuinely like.